Hello! Hi everyone! Today's video we're going to make a simple yet delicious snack. Looks how pretty colors we have here, green and chocolate. They're such a light, crispy and easy to make treat. So, let's get started! First step, we're going to make meringue. To make such a nice meringue in the bowl, we're gonna need egg white. We're gonna beat until frothy, then gradually we're gonna add in powdered sugar. And then, when it reaches stiff peaks, add in vanilla extract. On a low speed, mix until just combined. I'm gonna prepare two kinds of mixtures. One bowl for the green tea flavor and another bowl for the chocolatey one. Yay! Do you think it looks too dry? Yeah? No worries, because we're going to add in the melted butter into the mixture. Add a pinch of salt, and now the mixture looks perfect, right? We're going to do the same steps and the same amount of the ingredients to our chocolate mixture. Nicely done! Both of our green tea and chocolate batter. Now I'm going to quick toast these almond flakes just until crisp. This is the fun part! We will flatten the batter with the back of the spoon as thin as possible because we wanted to make crispy cookies. The very authentic and delicious crispy almond cookies. I'll scoop the batter for half to 1 teaspoon onto this silicone baking mat. For the topping, this is totally optional. Here I put toasted almond slices or flakes, also some cheeses, or if you don't like them, just leave it plain like that. That's totally fine. Bake into the preheated oven at 260 degrees Fahrenheit for around 15 to 20 minutes until the cookies looks dry and crispy. And when it's done, transfer onto the cooling rack and let it cool. And ta-da! Finally, our authentic, beautiful, and delicious crispy almond cookies are ready! Hear the sound. Yeah, it's crispy. And of course, they so delicious! Yeah! These light as air cookies are so simple to make and good treats to make for party or just as simple as snacks to have at home. You know what? One cookie is not enough! I want more! You also can substitute the taste with any kind of flavors you like because the ingredients are so easy to find and I bet you can easily make them at home. So don't forget to try this recipe and see you again next time. Bye!